Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0034 indicates a low voltage condition in the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve circuit. This solenoid is an essential component within the vehicle's turbocharging system, allowing for the regulation of boost pressure in the engine. It is typically located near the turbocharger assembly, connected directly to the powertrain control module, PCM, which manages many engine functions. The diagnostic trouble code is triggered when the system detects that the voltage in the circuit falls below a specific threshold. An understanding of the turbocharger's function, as well as the responsibilities of each component in the circuit, is vital for accurate diagnosis and effective repair. Therefore, the troubleshooting procedure must be meticulously followed for optimal results. The turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve plays a crucial role in managing the turbocharger's functionality by regulating boost pressure. This component helps maintain engine performance and efficiency by allowing excess pressure to bypass, preventing engine knock and excessive wear. Usually situated close to the turbocharger assembly, it connects to the PCM, which interprets its signals to control engine performance. A low voltage condition indicates that the solenoid valve cannot operate properly, leading to potential engine performance issues. This code, P0034, should be taken seriously, as improper functioning can lead to a myriad of problems, including decreased engine power and efficiency. Several factors can cause the DTC P0034 to trigger. A common culprit is a faulty turbocharger bypass solenoid, which may fail due to age or manufacturing defects. Additionally, short circuits in the wiring harness connected to the solenoid can lead to a low voltage condition, interrupting the communication between the solenoid and the PCM. Another potential root cause could be an open circuit in the wiring, which prevents proper electrical flow. Each of these issues must be evaluated during the troubleshooting process to determine the exact reason for the low voltage condition and address it accordingly. When the DTC P0034 is present, several symptoms may manifest, indicating that the turbocharger system is not functioning correctly. Drivers might notice a significant reduction in engine performance, as the turbocharger's ability to provide boost is compromised. A check engine light may illuminate on the dashboard, serving as an alert that the vehicle requires attention. Additionally, turbo lag, where there is a delay in power delivery, can become evident, further detracting from driving experience. These symptoms highlight the importance of diagnosing and addressing the underlying issue as soon as possible to maintain optimal vehicle performance. In the first step of troubleshooting the DTC P0034, begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode with the ignition key. This action activates the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the diagnostic trouble code. Clearing the code allows for a fresh diagnostic check. After clearing, perform the ABV test in the inspection menu of the HDS. This test is essential to verify system functionality. After the test, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. If DTC P0034 is indicated, this confirms a persistent fault, and you can proceed to the next troubleshooting steps. If not, it may suggest an intermittent issue, prompting further inspection of connections and terminals. For the second step in the troubleshooting process, start by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode. This ensures safety and prevents any electrical power from affecting the measurements. Next, carefully disconnect the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve 2P connector, which leads directly from the solenoid to the vehicle's electrical system. With the connector disconnected, measure the resistance across test points 1 and 2 on the solenoid valve side using a multimeter. It is critical that the resistance is around 30 to 34 ohms at room temperature. This measurement ensures the integrity of the solenoid valve itself. If the reading falls within this range, the solenoid valve is likely functioning well, and you can proceed to the next step. If not, the solenoid valve may need to be replaced, as it indicates internal failure. Step 3 involves inspecting fuse number B21, which is rated at 10A and located within the under-dash fuse/relay box. Fuses protect electrical circuits from overloads. A blown fuse can disrupt power to the turbocharger bypass control solenoid. If you find that the fuse is intact, you may continue to the next troubleshooting step. However, if the fuse is not operational, it will need to be replaced, and you'll also have to repair any short circuits present in the IG1 ACG, IG1 ABV wire. Properly addressing the issues at this step ensures the solenoid has the necessary power to function correctly. In this fourth step, the vehicle should be turned to the on mode. With the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve 2P connector still disconnected, measure the voltage between the designated test points, the connector number 2 and body ground. You must confirm that there is battery voltage present, which indicates the circuit is functional. If battery voltage is detected, you are clear to move to step 5. If not, it indicates there may be an open circuit in the IG1 ACG IG1 AVV wire that requires repair. This step is crucial for ensuring proper electrical flow across the necessary components. In the fifth troubleshooting step, you begin with the vehicle turned to the off or lock mode for safety. Wait for a minute after jumping the SCS line with the HDS, which makes the system ready for the next test. Following this, disconnect the PCM connector E, which allows you to examine the pathway between the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve and PCM for any short circuits. Check for continuity between the designated test points. This is especially pivotal for assuring the integrity of the ABV wire. If continuity is present, it indicates a short in the wiring that requires repair. If not, the wiring is intact, and you should explore authorized service information regarding the DTCs or consider substituting a known working PCM to diagnose further. After completing all necessary repairs, it's crucial to execute final verification to confirm that the DTC P0034 has been resolved. Begin by performing a test drive of the vehicle to monitor its performance. During this drive, pay careful attention to any symptoms previously noted, such as turbo lag or reduced power. After driving, utilize the HDS tool again to ensure no diagnostic trouble codes are present on the system. A successful clearance of DTC P0034 signals that the repairs were effective and the system is functioning optimally. If any symptoms persist or codes reappear, further investigation may be required. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0034, regular maintenance of the turbocharging system and its components is essential. Schedule routine checks on the turbocharger bypass control solenoid and related electrical connections to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Keep an eye on any signs of wear or loose wiring that could lead to shorts or other electrical issues. It is also vital to ensure that all components are installed properly and securely, as vibrations and temperature fluctuations can dislodge connections over time. Following such preventive measures can help maintain optimal performance and reduce the risk of unexpected failures. In summary, the DTC P0034 indicates a low voltage condition in the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve circuit. which can significantly affect engine performance. Understanding the function of the turbocharger and its components is paramount for effective diagnosis and repair. By clearly following the outlined troubleshooting steps, technicians can identify and address the issues causing the trouble code. Moreover, implementing preventive maintenance measures can help mitigate future problems, keeping the system in optimal condition. Addressing DTC P0034 promptly will ensure better engine efficiency and performance, providing a smoother driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.